Citroen C4 cactus 1.2 puretech dry belt replacement. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Need a 13mm spanner, alien key to lock. It's basically, see this locking position here, so that when you pull that it reaches here, and then you lock your tensioner. This 13mm spanner. Clockwise, you can see 13mm. That you see that. Yeah. Locking. See that I locked it. Now locked it. Yeah. Take the belt out. The condition of the belt is very poor. Use the new belt. Now you have to release the tensioner. Same way. Release the pin.